It's triple.
I be doing shit to do it just to end up looking stupid, cause they only buy the car what they see. Don't treat me like my heart is fucking ruthless. They don't care about what the fuck that I've been through, but that's the prices to breathe. I know what I need, another second just to laugh at what they never believe. They always tell me what I never achieve, but every time I fall I get the fuck back up on my feet. Hit the 1, 2 and roll with the beat. I know what they see, a big nigga with a cloud in mind, constantly fighting with the doubt in mind. All they got is the fucking cloud in mind. They don't care for who in and out the fire, but knock you when you smiling. Cause some niggas gon' run with you just to run your mileage. That's why I don't fuck with niggas, I sit in silence. I can't promise that fucking with me won't lead to violence, cause I don't know who the fuck that they think they riding. I ain't no killer, but I'll be damned if I won't be fighting. They stay hiding and still try me. Went from still trapping to still bodies. Happen so often, what can I feel about it? You think I ain't tired of hearing niggas dying, but they still run their mouths like they ain't scared of firing, and think the last thing they hear will be the sirens. Always remember that you ain't too thug to die, but y'all don't wanna fall, y'all don't wanna go now, y'all don't wanna know how they want us gone, but y'all just wanna blow now, y'all don't wanna grow. Thought that I done told how y'all want us gone, but now we